If you've ever entered a trade thinking you caught the trend only to get stopped out minutes later, this video is for you. Today, I'm breaking down how professional traders use the 34 EMA to confirm trends, avoid chop, and stay on the right side of the market. This is one of the cleanest, most underrated tools you can add to your trading right now. The 34 EMA, or Exponential Moving Average, tracks price while giving more weight to recent candles. That makes it more responsive than slower moving averages, but still smooth enough to filter out noise. Why 34? It's a balance between speed and reliability, which makes it perfect for trend confirmation across stocks, options, futures, and crypto. Here's the key idea. Price action relative to the 34 EMA tells you the trend. Bullish trend price stays above the 34 EMA pullbacks. Respect the EMA. Buyers step in near the line. Bearish trend price stays below the 34 EMA rallies. Get rejected at the EMA sellers control momentum. If price keeps crossing back and forth through the 34 EMA, that's chop, and smart traders stay patient. Here's a high probability approach. Identify trend direction with the 34 EM, wait for a pullback toward the EMA, enter as price shows continuing. This keeps you trading with my mind. Pro tip, combine the 34 EMA with support, resistance, or volume for even stronger confirmation. Most traders misuse moving averages by taking trades when price is flat around the EMA, using EMA as an exact entry line, ignoring higher time frame trend. Remember, the 34 EMA is a guide, not a magic line. The goal is alignment, not perfection. The 34 EMA works great on 5-min and 15-min charts for day trading, 1-hour and 4-hour charts for swing trading, daily charts for trend bias, higher time frame, EMA direction, always carries more weight. Comment below. Do you use EMAs or SMAs in your strategy? Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.